Standard 6, Subject Geography. Lesson number 4, Weather and Climate, Part 2. Weather. The weather is the atmospheric condition of a place at a particular time, which each one of you must have experienced. We have already seen how weather is described in different ways or words. These conditions are temporary and we call them as the weather of that place. The weather of a place is stated according to a particular time. For example, cold weather, hot weather, dry weather, or humid weather, etc. Weather changes occur frequently and are noticed easily. Now, I will give you some statements and you have to tell me which of the statements match with the weather conditions which you experienced yesterday or today at the place where you live. It was cold in the morning. In the afternoon, it was sultry. It rained suddenly in the afternoon. Clouds had gathered in the evening. The night sky was full of stars and a pleasant breeze was flowing. Cool breeze was blowing at dawn. The statement "it was hot in the afternoon" is applicable for yesterday's weather. Correct. Now have you understood the concept of weather? Yes. Now use your brain and tell me, which occupation would you practice in the cold regions? Correct. You can practice the occupations such as selling woolen clothes, tea, fruits, flowers, and products made from them in the local market, and tourism can be practiced. Now tell me, which occupations would you practice in the hot regions? In the hot regions, we can practice the occupations like selling cold drinks or cotton clothes or the other things which can save you from sunlight, such as umbrellas, caps, sunglasses, etc. Correct. Now let us discuss about the climate. Climate. You already know that generally we experience each season in a specific months of the year and for a particular time. Meteorologists observe the elements of weather like air pressure, winds, humidity, rainfall, and temperature for the years. With the help of these studies, they define the average weather conditions of that particular region. The average weather conditions of that particular region for a long indicates the climate of that region. In short, we can say that the climate of the region is defined after studying the weather of a particular region for so long. This means that changes in the climate takes place over the long period of time. Therefore, these changes cannot be perceived easily. Do you know? The factors like latitudinal location of a place, height above sea level, nearness to ocean, oceanic currents, local winds, types of land, mountain ranges, affects the climatic conditions of a region. Climate affects the entire living world in different ways. Living beings mostly live in the region with conducive climate. The climate also affects food, shelter, etc. of living things. The distribution of water on land surface is also controlled by the climate. Now I will give you information about the elements of weather. Elements of weather. We have seen already that weather is temporary. That is, it keeps on changing frequently. The frequent changes in the weather occurs due to atmospheric pressure, winds, humidity, rainfall, temperature, etc. These are all elements of weather. We will see some information about them in the next video. Thank you.